Let's prepare a vitrectomy with the Faros. First, open the vit pack. Slightly tilted. Grab the material, the bundle, and finally the cassette bundle. Let's first install the cassette. You can do it either by yourself in sterile condition, or you can ask your jumper to support you. We show you how to do it in sterile conditions. Ensure that the tubing here is freely maneuverable. Make like a U-shape turn with the tube. Insert the U in the first black part here. Pull the tubing backwards. And insert the tubing into the second black part here. Release the tube. It's not sterile anymore. You don't have to touch it anymore. Then insert the cassette slightly tilted. Press it down until you hear that clicking sound. And finally, insert the irrigation tube here. Pull it into the valve until you hear also a clicking sound. The cassette is installed.